Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a tomato paste at home. With this video you're about to watch, I bet you will stop buying the preserved tin tomato from the market and you will start making your fresh and healthy tomato paste all by yourself. Of recent, there has been scarcity of food because of the bad road and the flood. The Northerners has been finding it so difficult to send their goods down here to the east. So for you to even buy a fresh tomato is very difficult and it's a whole lot of struggle just to buy fresh tomato. But thank God I was able to get this tomato. So my only option now is just to convert it into tomato paste because I don't want it to spoil before I'm ready to use it. Kind of struggle I went through just to buy this small tomato. Omo, you just pity for me. Thank God I didn't even receive hot slap from the woman I was dragging this tomato with. She already have 2 paints of tomato with her but don't want other people to at least get 1 paint. Omo, that's too bad. Anyway, here I am to show you how you can make a natural and healthy tomato paste without adding any form of preservation or chemical to it. So now start by washing the tomato. After washing this tomato thoroughly, the next thing I did was to start slicing it into different sizes, and also I made sure I removed the deteriorated part. I made sure I removed the part that is not good from it as I was cutting so that I'll be left with the good part of the tomato. After slicing the tomato, I will go ahead by putting the tomato into my blender to proceed with the blending. So this is all the tomato after blending all of them. So the next thing I'll do now is to place it on fire. You would have to leave the tomato on fire for a longer time before you bring it down. Well, you don't have to allow the tomato to boil down or dry out so well. Just leave it until the water separates from the tomato. Then you know you're good to go. Now look at this. You can see that the water is separating from the tomato as it is boiling. I don't really need to determine for you how long your tomato will last on fire because the size of your tomato puree might be larger than mine and maybe your temperature might be too high or too low. So just note this. Once your tomato is getting to separate itself from the water just like this, just know that it's ready unless you have that much to spend on your gas, to spend on your fuel, whatever you're using to cook. I'll be making use of this iron sieve that have the tiny hole on it. Then I'll be making use of this material net. I got this material net from the net I use in making pap akamo. So I had to then cut from it. After tying this up, I left it on a sieve to drain out water for at least an hour. So guys, I want you to know this. When you want to scope out your tomato paste to a container, always use a clean spoon to scope out some paste. The spoon shouldn't be wet or have any kind of external particle on it. Otherwise, this will cause a mold on the surface of the paste. But when you have a clean spoon, which you use in scoping out the paste to a container, this tomato paste can last you longer than expected. So always remember to tighten the lid of the jar. Store either in the refrigerator or in your pantry or away from sunlight. Guys, if you know this video has been useful to you, please don't forget to like, comment, share my post to your lover, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.